जातं असे మరి మేజర్ नाही अशिल टॉपिक
Good afternoon everyone. I'm Dr. Aparna. My topic is Cosmemeda in Yuvana Pradaka, clinical cosmetological approach of acne treatment. This is a case presentation and a development of treatment protocol in preteen and mainly oily skin. I'm not going into details of acne as we all know, but some points that we have to keep in mind before treating acne is, see, even from the age of 10, especially in case of women till the age of menopause, you can see acne. And according to age variation, treatment protocol also can be changed. And another one problem is the types of lesion that you see in an acne, that is whiteheads, blackheads, pustules, papules, nodules, cysts. All these actually should have different treatment protocol, not the same thing even if it is a cleaning process or if it is a treatment oral medication, or each of these actually respond to different medications in practice. And also the classification, grade 1, 2, 3 and 4. Another one lasting effect of acne is, as we see, the scarring, which is a permanent damage. In that, in clinical practice, keloid is a challenging thing. Other than the, with derma roller, etc., we can manage the scar, but keloids is quite challenging. When we think in Yuvana Pradaka point of view, Pradushika, we have to keep in mind the dosha predominance, that is Vata, Kapha and the Rakta Dhatu. And in point of view of acne, see, physical symptom is one problem, but the psychological effect that acne leaves, especially the teens and pre-teens, the stepping stone of our society, the emotional status, psychological well-being is actually affected, and that is a lifelong scarring, just like the keloids. Depression, self-esteem problem, inferiority complex, that of course is going to affect their whole life. In management, just like all the main or Kajikitsa, Shalya, Shalakya, everything like that, Shodhana, Shamana and some specific treatments like in Shodhana, as usual, Deepana Patana and then Snehapana, Guguru Tiktaka Vrita and Nimbamata Kleranda is found to be very effective for Virechana. Virechana we can do it once in a month or once in 2 months. And Shamana, what I have chose for this patient is Nimbamutati Panchatiktaka Kashayam, that is a Kashayam for Guguru Tiktaka Vritam, medicine for that, with Kashura Guguru pills, and Guru Chati 1 to 2 liters as Panaka, and some good product. Acnoven, this capsule is from Basu Pharmacy, and Clarina anti-acne cream once or twice daily. Another one main problem is a daily hygiene, especially for oily skin, 3 to 4 times. They should wash with some good mild face wash without some salicylic acid, without that. So you have a lot of Ayurvedic products which has come. The same Yuva, Avasus, they have some skin specific anti-acne products, a lot of variety. This Clarina, also they developed a lot of good anti-acne kits, which is actually OTC product and found to be very effective. And external therapy in home, this Ashwagandha Tvakvata, that is said in Charaka Vatashonikam. Bodhi Vriksha Tvachakvadam is said as Agriyavshita for Vatashonita, which actually is very effective in this condition as a wet mask when there is pustules, papules or painful conditions. And next is Jatamayadi Lepa, again for Vata and Kapha predominant condition as a Lepa. Another one protocol that I have developed is an anti-acne mini facial once in 15 days, as Dr. Vidya has said in her session. 15 days once we can offer a facial which is total Ayurvedic, so it's 100% safe. Clean up all the medications according to our Yukti, the Prakriti, Vaya, Dosha, everything we can change it. A cleansing, scrub 5 minutes back, then you can do scrub only if there is blackheads and whiteheads. No other painful conditions or infective conditions we should do the scrubbing. Swedana, I have opted for Guru Jati, you can do according to our wish. And then clean up. This is the tricky part. Clean up to say is easy, but most of the conditions, either the pustules, acne, this to do cleanup is a very bleeding procedure. Patient is, they'll find it more painful. And after cleanup, the face is going to look a mess. It will be bleeding, a lot of blotches will be there, redness, swelling, pain, everything will be there. And Aragruta Twak Kashaya wet mask, as we have seen, the mask. That mask, if you keep it for 10 minutes, what I have seen is the face will go as back to normal. More clearer, there is no redness, itching, burning sensation or any complication of cleanup will remain in 10 minutes. And a peel off mask is developed based on gelatin. For this particular patient, Triphyla HT and Aragruta Kashaya peel off mask, and at the end, sunscreen. In the discussion part, Deepana Pachana is needed for all conditions by Shwanam, Panchatikta Gugulu, Vata, Kapha and Rakta involvement. Nimbamata Thierandam, again Vata and Kapha, and also it is Pitta Hara, so it helps for the Rakta also of Mukhadoshika. Then Gugulutikta Kashayam, it's again specifically mentioned for skin. Guru Chari Panaka, again Rakta Shuddhi, anti-inflammatory actions, and in Panaka form the patient can drink 1 or 2 liters as a Panaka, so it will not be that tasteless also or off tasting also. Wet mask, as I have mentioned, Bodhi Vrikshatva Kvatham, Vatashonita, this is actually found to be good in case of any pustular or nodulocystic or any deep-seated acne. In 10 or 15 days, you can get very good results. And Jatamayadi also, Vata, Kapha and Rakta involvement, old scars, melasma, all acanthosis nigricans, these all can be treated well effectively with only Jatamayadi. Then Aragruta wet mask I have explained before, and the peel off mask. Peel off mask, if you add a little bit activated carbon, you can take out the blackheads, whiteheads, small comedones, etc. This is a patient in 2016 where the first photo actually I don't have. This is a second treatment photo. She was having all the stage 4 acne. You can see everything, blackheads, whiteheads, comedones, everything, and nodulocystic, everything was there. But at the end of the treatment, only her rolling and box scars is remaining, and very few pits were there. But otherwise, the face was quite clear. Even the oil control, everything, it actually remained as such even now. She's absolutely fine. As a conclusion, Yuvana Pidaka, the most common problem, especially in youth, but the devastating effect is there, the lifelong. Once the face is spoiled, it is spoiled. And cosmetological approach protocol should be developed, and I have found it to be very effective. But again, this protocol was for a pre-teen of Vata, Kapha, Prakriti and very oily skin. But we should keep the Prakriti via age, causative factor, especially PCOD, hypothyroidism, these things we need to treat the root cause.